Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by treating each line as its own paragraph. That's crucial. Once your lines are separate, select the whole text box and add a simple entrance animation like appear or fade. Make sure to open Effect options and change the animation to Run by first-level paragraphs. This tells PowerPoint to treat each paragraph as an individual animation step. You're not done yet. Make sure the text is formatted correctly, and move on to timing so each line appears exactly when you want it to. Once the paragraphs register as separate items in the animation pane, you control when and how they appear. Set each to start on click if you want one line per click, or use with previous and small delays for auto timing. Adjust duration to smooth the entrance and tweak delay to pace the sequence. If order is wrong, drag items inside the animation pane, or use Animation Painter to copy settings to other text boxes. Make sure you preview after every change so the rhythm feels natural to you. Finish by running the slideshow and stepping through each click to confirm one line appears at a time. If everything looks right, use Animation Painter to copy the exact animation to other slides so you don't rebuild settings. If something goes wrong, lines animate together or skip. Stop and check two things: that each line is its own paragraph, and that effect options are set to animate by first-level paragraphs rather than all at once. Re-preview until it reads smoothly and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.